Hey guys, welcome to Top 1%. So in this video I want to talk about why most people fail their diets, and this is going to be an educational rant, so stay with me till the very end. I'm going to tell you exactly where you're going wrong and what you need to do, right? So this is what happens. Most people are just looking for shortcuts on the internet. That's what social media has done to us. We want to find that shortcut, that one magic pill that's going to hand us everything and all the problems are solved once and for all. But unfortunately, that is not how it works. It's a lifetime journey and you get better over time. When you put in the time, when you invest that effort, that's the way you grow and get better. Even right now, after putting 5 years into this fitness journey, I'm not perfect with my nutrition and I know I never will be. But you know what's exciting? Knowing that I'm going to give it better each and every single day and slowly but surely getting better and making the process more fun along the way. That's what it's all about. So stop looking for shortcuts, stop looking for fad diets because that doesn't exist. Instead, start focusing on the timeless knowledge, the basics. Learn the basics, that's where you should begin. I can understand how difficult it is because social media, you see all those popular videos on nutrition, on fitness, anything. It's showing you what you want to see. And what you want to see is, what is that one little thing that's going to solve everything? Let me stop ranting about that now and talk about what exactly you need to focus on. So what you see on your screen right now, it's called the nutrition pyramid. This is a very good guideline as to what you should be focusing on. So the bottom of the pyramid, that is the most important part of it. And as we go towards the top, it becomes less and less important. So as you see, it's all underlined by your behavior and lifestyle. So understanding your nutrition, fixing your food habits, it comes down to behavioral psychology, honestly. It's pretty simple. That's the way most people operate. You understand all the basics of what you're doing in your everyday life. You'll also understand what mistakes you're making with your nutrition. So to start with, take a look at that. Energy balance. That is how many calories you're eating. If you're eating way more calories than you should be eating, no matter what, even if the other things on the nutrition pyramid are fixed, you will not see results. You'll gain weight and you're not going to have the body composition that you want. So you need to understand that. That's the first most important thing. And the second thing is macronutrients. Your proteins, carbohydrates, fats. What role does each macronutrient play in your nutrition? Do you even understand that? If you don't, you should be understanding it, or at least investing the time to learn that. And the third thing is micronutrients. Your vitamins and minerals, fruits, vegetables, all that stuff. That's the third most important thing. And the fourth most important thing is nutrient timing. And the fifth is supplements, which is honestly something most people can ignore. 99% of you have absolutely no business worrying about supplements. People are out there searching, what supplements should I take? What's good for me? When the calories are all out of whack. People are searching, what is the right time to eat food? Nutrient timing, when you're not getting enough protein. Do you understand that? Know your priorities. Know what you should focus on. Start from the bottom and work your way to the top. That's what you need to focus on. And to understand how exactly to do that, start watching my videos. That's a good place to start. I don't bullshit you. I give you exactly what you need to know. It's pretty simple. So start working on it from the base and then work your way to the top. That's it. So you see how this works? How many people do you see out there making videos about how many calories you should be taking in? You just type nutrition or how to lose fat or anything. All the thumbnails that you see out there, all the videos that you see, the popular ones, none of them is going to tell you about caloric intake being the most important part of it. They're going to promise you shortcuts which actually don't exist. Understand that. That's what's important. Now you understand the nutrition pyramid, you got that. Next, take a look at your own lifestyle. Honestly, how do you eat throughout the day? Most people know when they're eating something that's not healthy. You're eating junk food, you're eating chips, you're eating sugary stuff, you're eating fried stuff. You know you should not be eating that stuff. Or in the very least, limit it. Right? So the goals that you have, the expectations that you have should be in line with your reality. If you're feeding yourself with junk food, how do you expect to have six-pack abs year round? It's not going to happen. You have to make some sort of sacrifice if you want that. But it's all about finding the right balance for yourself. Understand this is where you stand and this is where you aspire to be. So how do you connect that gap? Through the nutrition pyramid and being consistent with it, with time and consistent effort. And honestly, understanding nutrition, understanding your food habits, it's a skill. It takes time and effort to harvest. That's the way it works. You need to understand how many calories the foods that you take in contain, how many calories you're eating every day. It takes time. Maybe you have to download a calorie tracking app. There's so many apps out there, MyFitnessPal, and my favorite one is called Chronometer. It's really good. So if you are willing to invest that much time and effort into tracking your calories and putting some time and effort, stepping outside your damn comfort zone, that's the only way you're going to get real results. That's the honest truth. Most people don't want to talk about it because, hey, it's not a shortcut. It requires time and effort. And that's something we don't see on social media. Unfortunately, it's the truth. You want results, you're going to have to work for it, and you'll have to earn your way. That's the way it works. So that's the thing. Understand the nutritional pyramid, work your way from the bottom till the way up. Understand your behavioral psychology, your food habits, and all that BS I talked about right now. And once you do that, start tracking calories. I don't track my calories anymore because I've done it for long enough to know exactly what I'm eating. So I don't have to anymore. But at the beginning, you need to push yourself a little hard. It takes time. When I first started, I would do whatever it took to get to the next level. Although I didn't have much knowledge when I started, like most people don't, over time you just acquire it. And the more knowledge you get, the more flexibility it gives you in your diet. You can take it easy later on, but at the beginning, you need to understand your priorities. Focus on what matters. Got it? So that's all I got to say in this video. Stop looking for shortcuts. It doesn't exist. Each person has their own journey. Figure out your own path by focusing on the basics, of course. Here's the structure, the nutrition pyramid. Understand that and then go in whatever direction it takes you. And it's different for each and every single person, honestly. I've tried intermittent fasting in the past. It's worked for me when I was busy, when I had to travel a lot, when I had to go out. Yeah, but now with the quarantine time, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't. You want to do keto diet, you want to do this, you want to do that. Find a diet that you can stick to for a lifetime. Something that you can be consistent with, something that you enjoy.
I eat what I like when I want to. That's the beauty of learning the basics. Here's some examples. Take a look at this. There's not a day in my life that I eat foods that I don't like to. It's not a sacrifice for me anymore because I learned the basics, because I understand the fundamentals, and I've made it a part of my lifestyle. And I can do this for a lifetime.
Because if you're looking for something that works temporarily, that gives you shortcuts, guess what? Once that diet is over, you'll default back to your own ways and the results will.
I am inevitable.
Fade just like that. So understand that. Alright? Focus on the basics and just make your own path. That's all I got to say. I didn't have any script for this video, but I understand that this is something important, something most people are struggling with. So I felt this is something I need to talk about, and I did. So watch these videos on your screen right here so that you can know where to begin and what to focus on. I'm going to simplify nutrition for you so that you can just basically save time in what time I spent at the beginning of my fitness journey. I'm just simplifying it for you. And that's all I got to say in this video. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up, comment down below what are the content you want me to cover in the future, hit the subscribe button, bell icon, all that good stuff. And until next time, take care, stay hungry.